Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing an owl, a funny looking owl. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every week. At least I try to put a video every week. Let me know what you want to see next as well. If you want me to draw something for you, let me know in the comments below. So then let's get started. So there you go, you have the face and the part of the body, and this is how the full color drawing looks like. And if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on my Redbubble shop, check out the link in the description box below to buy products. We have a lot of products that you can buy, different kinds actually, so check it out. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week. So then I hope you enjoy this video. And if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments below. And also if you have any suggestions, anything, let me know as well. So then I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you next time.